Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant in an English-speaking country. The waiter looks at you and says, "Can I help you?" Do you know what to say? After today, you will, from the front door all the way to paying the bill. Let's go.
I love this topic already.
Welcome to Practice English Daily. I'm Jessica, and with me today is Eric. Hey, Eric.
Hey, Jessica. I'm really excited. Honestly, restaurants make me a little nervous sometimes.
That's exactly why we're doing this today. By the end of this episode, you'll have all the phrases you need. Let's start at the beginning.
Okay, so I arrive at the restaurant. I open the door, I walk in. What do I do?
You look for a person near the entrance. This person is called the host or the hostess. They greet you. You smile, say hello, and then ask for a table.
How do I ask for a table?
Very simply, you say, "A table for two, please." Try it.
A table for two, please.
Perfect. Now just change the number depending on your group. A table for one, please. A table for three, please. A table for four, please.
Oh, easy. Just swap the number each time.
Right. And always, always add please. That one word makes everything sound polite and friendly.
A table for one, please. Got it. So what does the waiter say after that?
They usually say, "This way, please," or "Follow me," and they walk you to your table.
Simple. I follow them, I sit down. What's next?
Next, you need the menu. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks the restaurant has.
Sometimes the waiter gives it to you right away, but what if they forget?
Great point. Just ask. Say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very natural.
Yes. And "can I have" is a phrase you can use for so many things. Can I have some water? Can I have a spoon? Very flexible.
Can I have? I like that. Okay, so now I have the menu. I open it. There are different sections. What do they mean?
Let's go through them one by one. First, starters.
Starters? What are those?
Starters are small dishes you eat at the beginning of your meal. Things like soup, a small salad, or garlic bread.
Ah, the warm-up food before the main event.
Exactly. Then comes the main course.
That's the big dish, right? Like pasta or steak or fish.
Yes, the main course is the heart of your meal, the largest and most filling dish. Chicken, rice, burgers, pizza, all main course.
And what comes after the main course?
Dessert, sweet food at the end. Think chocolate cake, ice cream, or fresh fruit.
I never skip dessert.
Nobody should. And then there's the drinks section. Water, juice, soda, tea, coffee. Always check it.
So, starters, main course, dessert, drinks. I know the menu now.
You're already doing great. Now you've looked at the menu, you know what you want. The waiter comes over and says the most important question.
What question?
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? What if I need more time?
No problem. Just say, "Just a moment, please," or "One more minute, please." Calm and polite.
Just a moment, please. Perfect. But okay, I'm ready. I know what I want. How do I actually order?
You have two great options. Option 1, "I would like the pasta, please." Option 2, "I'll have the pasta, please."
What's the difference?
There's no real difference in meaning. "I would like" sounds a little more formal. "I'll have," short for "I will have," sounds a bit more casual. Both are completely correct and natural.
I would like the salmon, please. I'll have the burger, please. Both work?
Both are excellent. Let's practice the whole thing right now. I'll be the waiter, you're the customer.
I'm ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Wonderful. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
I would like a glass of orange juice, please.
So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled chicken, and 1 orange juice. I'll be right back.
Thank you. Okay, that felt really good.
Because those phrases are simple and natural. Remember them. I would like, I'll have, and can I have. Those three cover almost every situation in a restaurant.
Let everyone repeat that. I would like, I'll have, can I have. 3 key phrases.
Exactly. Okay, your food arrives. The waiter places it on the table. What do they say?
Here is your food?
Usually, enjoy your meal.
And I say, thank you.
Perfect. Then, a few minutes later, the waiter might check on you. They'll ask, is everything okay?
And if the food is amazing?
Smile and say, yes, it's delicious, thank you. Or, everything is great, thank you.
Delicious. DELICIOUS. It means very, very good.
Yes, use that word. Waiters love to hear it. Now, what if you need something during the meal, like more water?
How do I get the waiter's attention without being rude?
You make eye contact and you say, excuse me. That's the polite way to call someone over.
Excuse me. And then I ask?
Then, can I have some more water, please? Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Excuse me, can I have some more water, please? That's so easy.
It really is. Okay, the meal is done. You're full and happy. Now it's time to pay.
The bill. How do I ask for it?
Get the waiter's attention the same way, excuse me, and then say, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please? Do people say bill or check?
Both. In the UK, it's the bill. In the US, it's the check. But both words are understood everywhere.
Good to know. So either one works.
Either one. The waiter brings you a small paper with the total. You pay with cash or a card.
What if I'm paying by card? How do I ask?
Say, do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards? And when I hand over my card,
You say, here you are. It's a natural, polite way to pass something to someone.
here you are. And then as I leave the restaurant,
You smile at the waiter and say, thank you so much. It was delicious. Or simply, thank you, goodbye.
it was delicious. I love that ending.
It's warm and genuine. All right, let's do our quick recap. Repeat each phrase after us, everyone.
A table for 2, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like the soup to start, please.
I'll have the steak, please.
Excuse me, can I have some more water?
Can I have the bill, please?
And always, please and thank you.
Those 2 little words make every interaction warmer and easier.
I feel so much more confident now. I could walk into a restaurant today and do this.
You absolutely could. And everyone listening, so could you. Start simple. Order something you already know in English. Smile. Speak slowly. Don't worry about being perfect.
People are kind. If you make a small mistake, the waiter will help you. It's okay.
Just try. That's the most important step.
Just try. I love that.
That's all for today's episode of Practice English Daily. You now have everything you need: how to get a table, read the menu, order your food, ask for things, and pay the bill, all in English.
Practice these phrases out loud at home. Even just saying them to yourself helps a lot.
And here's today's challenge. Leave a comment and tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant. We really want to know.
Pizza, pasta, soup, a big burger, tell us everything.
Thank you so much for listening. If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English. It means the world to us.
See you next time.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.